Lakini nitasema kwamba imekuwa fursa bora ya kuweza kuzungumzana na waheshimiwa wabunge na kuweza kupata hisia zao. Hisia muhimu zaidi ambayo ninaweza sema nimeona leo kwenye kikao hiki ni kwamba waheshimiwa wabunge wangependa kuhusishwa zaidi katika shughuli za tunazofanya, shughuli za talanta hela, ili wahusike zaidi, na hilo ni swala ambalo tunaweza shughulikia bila shaka.
Na kuna baadhi ya watu ambao wanadhani kwamba wao wanaandamwa pengine kisiasa. Would you say this is
now, you know, they say even the devil knows not what goes on in a man's mind. All I can deal with is what I see, and it is always a good opportunity to come to Parliament. I'm not a stranger to Parliament. I spent 10 years in this Parliament. I'm not a stranger, or I'm not entirely new here, because right now I'm a stranger. But all I can say is that I would want this kind of engagements more of this kind of engagements, because it gives opportunity to share information. It gives opportunity to clarify issues. One of the issues I've seen, for instance, is that we need members of Parliament to get to know more about the work of federations, to get to be more involved in the agenda we have to improve the whole management of sports with better run, better managed federations. This interaction also helps us to reinforce the reality that sports funding in this country is still very low. The sports fund, for instance, is supposed to support sports, but it supports so many other needs. So this interaction is good. I wouldn't call this a witch hunt. I would call it a useful interaction, and there should be more of this kind.
Mheshimiwa, sorry, not Mheshimiwa. Was it worth coming here? Because it seems like it's more of a witch hunt. You don't participate in a purchase of boots and outfits. You don't select teams.
But that's why I'm saying exactly that with this kind of interaction, you build a better understanding. And I believe it's a good opportunity for members of Parliament to also get a chance to interrogate how the whole sporting scene is managed. And I'll be very happy with members of